Alright guys, today I'm answering a common question that people make me. Is it worth having a 3D printer when you do what you do, when we work with cars? So today I'm going to give you a small example of what I use my 3D printer for. Of course I use it for a lot more, but this is just an example, a simple shape to produce. So this is a BMW OBD1 lanyard, like, you know, for you not to lose the gate for the diagnostic port. So it's a very common problem. This is a E39. Here I'm measuring everything to make sure everything will fit properly. After that, in Fusion 360, I'm designing everything. This is the final product designing wise. I'm going to be using nylon because it's heat resistant and flexible. Here I'm just checking my measurements. Bear with me, this is difficult when you have a camera in front of your eyes. This is giving me the thickness of the material. Now the area, that's not what I want. I want to check the inner diameter. This is the most important one. I added the M logo in the middle there. It's just a little touch. The inner diameter is pretty much correct. I do a lot of other stuff with this, of course, buttons, button blanks, little lids, connectors, clips, you name it. This is in a slicer program, which in this case is the Repetier host. Now I just sliced it. So this is to show you guys that with a little bit of work, we can get a 3D printer to be useful in any environment these days. This is my settings for nylon. I found that these work the best. By the way, this nylon, I will make a video on where I sourced this nylon. This is not a commercial 3D printing nylon. You have to use some PVA based glue to fix it to the bed, because nylon is very slippery and will lift from the bed really easily. If you don't glue it to the bed, it will ruin your print. So this is the final product. I'm comparing it with the original part, which is pretty much the same. A little bit more width on the shaft there and a little bit longer, so it doesn't bend as much. But nylon is very flexible, very durable, especially this type of nylon that I'm using. Of course, this requires some cleaning, as all 3D printings do, but you can see the flexibility right after the production. This is a test fit on the car. It works perfectly, as you can see. Just a little touch there. After some cleaning, maybe, you know, it's I think it's even better than the original part. So yeah guys, if you like this video, I'll be posting more content like this about 3D printing and how useful it is. So yeah, if you like this, please subscribe and hit that like button. Stay safe.